Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make passive income with writing. If you're a writer looking to earn some extra cash without spending all your time writing, then this video is for you. Section 1: What is passive income and how writing can help? First, let's talk about what passive income is. Passive income is money that comes in on a regular basis without you actively working for it. This means that you can make money while you sleep, go on vacation, or even take a break from writing. One of the best ways to make passive income is through writing. Whether you're a novelist, a blogger, or a freelance writer, there are many ways to turn your words into cash. For example, you can write and sell ebooks, create online courses, or even license your work to other companies. Section 2: Writing an ebook. One of the easiest ways to make passive income with writing is by creating an ebook. Ebooks are a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others, while earning money at the same time. To create an ebook, start by choosing a topic that you're passionate about and that has a demand. Do some research on the topic to make sure there's a market for it. Then, start writing your book. Once your book is complete, you can publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords. Section 3: Creating online courses. Another way to make passive income with writing is by creating online courses. Online courses are a great way to teach others what you know and earn money at the same time. To create an online course, start by choosing a topic that you're knowledgeable about and that people are interested in learning. Then, create a course outline and start recording your lessons. You can use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to host your course and make it available to students. Section 4: Licensing your work. Finally, you can make passive income with writing by licensing your work. This means that you allow other companies to use your writing for a fee. For example, you could license your articles to websites or your stories to publishers. To license your work, start by creating a portfolio of your writing. Then, start reaching out to potential clients and pitching your work. You can also use platforms like Contenta or Upwork to find freelance writing jobs. Conclusion: that's it for today's video on how to make passive income with writing. Remember, passive income is a great way to earn money while you're not actively working. If you're a writer, there are many ways to turn your words into cash. So, get started today and see how you can make passive income with your writing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.